If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here, and welcome back to Mental Dental. I've spent well over a decade teaching for dental board exams, and if there's one thing I've seen time and time again, one thing that consistently hurts students who should pass their dental board exams, it's this: cramming the night before, staying up until 2 a.m., trying to absorb every last detail, or flipping through your notes like your life depends on it, and thinking that you're helping yourself by doing that. I'm going to start this video by being very blunt when I say this. Cramming for a huge exam like the INBDE or the ADAT is a terrible idea. A big no from me. And it's one of the top reasons that students who are perfectly capable end up underperforming or even failing. So here's just a few of the reasons why cramming last minute is so harmful. Your brain doesn't consolidate information when you're exhausted. Your working memory tanks, your decision making slows down, your attention wanders, you get distracted easily, you misread questions more easily, and the knowledge that you do have becomes harder to access. Your brain needs rest, especially the night before a high-stakes exam. Think of sleep as your brain filing and organizing and strengthening everything that you've learned up until that point. When you skip the adequate sleep, you skip that essential process, and you essentially walk into the exam stressed and overwhelmed. I would so much rather students spend the last 24 hours before an exam prioritizing their well-being instead of desperately trying to cram. Eat well, drink a lot of water, exercise lightly, listen to some calming, relaxing music, meditate, do some deep breathing exercises, read a book before you go to sleep, maybe watch a movie that is relaxing or you've seen 20 times before, maybe lightly review a few practice questions or go over your cheat sheet drawings for your scrap paper, but that's it. Your job the day before is not to learn anything new. It's to preserve everything that you've already learned. And a follow-up question that some people ask is, why do students feel the need to cram so hard at the last second? And the answer is really simple. They didn't prepare properly. And I'm not saying this to shame anyone. I'm saying this because it's true. A lot of very smart, very capable people don't take the exam seriously enough at the start. They underestimate how much content there is. They underestimate how long it takes to master the content, and they overestimate how much they think they can pull off in the final stretch. And this doesn't mean that you're not intelligent. It doesn't mean you're not qualified. It means that you're human. When something is so far away, the exam is scheduled months in advance, it's easy to push things off. But the dental boards are not the kind of exam you can casually stroll into. These exams demand consistent effort, spaced repetition, and actual mastery, not a last-minute adrenaline rush that can carry you through a full 1 or 2 day exam. The good news, though, is you can avoid all of this with proper preparation. Build a schedule, stick to it, start early, make little bits of progress week by week, use high-yield resources, test yourself often, revisit your weak spots, and then when you reach the final days before the exam, you won't be panicked, you won't be drowning in material last minute, you'll be refining, not scrambling, and you'll walk into test day calm, confident, and sharp. The truth is, the dental boards are tough. They just are. They're meant to be that way. But people don't fail because they aren't smart enough. They fail because they didn't prepare the right way and then try to fix it with a 2 a.m. cram session. And that doesn't work. What does work is respecting the process from the beginning and respecting yourself enough to rest before the finish line. And maybe some of you, despite everything I've just said in this video, still you're not convinced. You think, well, maybe that's true for some people, but cramming can work for me. I'm good at short-term memory, or I've crammed for, other exams in the past. Well, you'll never know if cramming for the INBDE or the ADAT, these huge dental board exams, works for you until you've tried it. And by that point, it'll be too late to try anything else. So instead, plan ahead and give yourself enough time to do things the right way. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. If you prepare properly, you won't need to cram. And if you don't cram, you'll perform better than you think and give yourself the best chance to become the dentist that you've worked so hard to be. And by the way, a great resource in addition to INBDE Bootcamp, which I plugged at the beginning of this video, is my Mental Dental Academy. This is the only platform where you can attend live classes with me as I teach you only the most relevant, important information that you need to know and give you an opportunity to shine as you answer practice questions in real time in the virtual classroom. Academy members who've passed the exam with confidence consistently tell me that this is their favorite part of the whole Academy experience. And to learn more, click the link in the description below this video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I loved doing it from the beautiful but cold Carolinas. If you did enjoy it, please consider liking the video and commenting below what you'd like to see from me next. Also, subscribe to Mental Dental if you haven't already for more content just like this video, more tips and tricks and educational videos to help you get ready for your dental board exams. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, God bless all of you, and I'll see you in the next video.